Hey there, curl friend. So if you have naturally wavy or naturally curly hair and you're using our awesome Heatless curling headband and you take it out and your hair ends up looking like Shirley Temple in that your hair is super short now, the curls are super tight and spirally, they are not gonna drop because your hair naturally holds a curl, and this is not the look you're going for, then let me give you some tips. Number one is to skip the water. Because of your hair type, you usually do not actually need any water, and your hair is gonna set way looser, softer, more voluminous curls if you just forgo it altogether. So I would say, recommendation number one, don't use water and only put it on your hair when your hair is 100% dry. Wear it for a little bit, 45 minutes, an hour even, and your hair should be like perfect. Tip number two is that if you do use, products normally, you can continue to use those. So if you have like hair oils, leave-in moisturizers, anything that is like moisturizing and that bucket of products, you can continue to use those before putting on your curling headband. It'll just help to break up your natural curl shape and then reshape it softly into the new curl pattern around your curling headband. Now, do not use then the mousses, the hairsprays, the extra hold, extra defining products. You want to skip those, but go for the moisturizing ones that you normally use for your natural wavy and curly hair. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks as always for being our curl friend. I'm Emily Kenison, the founder and inventor of the curling headband. And if you have any other questions or you want any other tips and tricks, just drop a note in the comment section below. I love to read them. I love making these videos to help teach you how to use our product amazingly. So yeah, let us know. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.